This pre-recording shows how Converis facilitates workflow management within an organisation. The example is based on a project application and the communication that occurs between a principal investigator and their unit manager. On the left-hand side of the screen, the Things to Do list shows us the items ready for action, for example, applications and publications. On the right-hand side of the screen, the Recently Edited list shows us items that we've been working on previously. In this example, we'll open the application Quantum Theory by Albert Einstein. This takes us to the Edit page, where we can see the mandatory attributes that we need to complete before progressing this application to the next step of the workflow. By moving to section 7, we can also see some attributes that it's not possible to edit, as these are available only to the unit manager, which we'll revisit later in the workflow. At this point, we can click Save and Close to move the application on to the next step. The researcher is able to set the application to for approval by head of department. However, we can also see the other steps in the workflow cycle here. These are completely configurable within Converis. It's even possible to have very different workflows for different types of application. When we're ready to proceed, we can click Done. At this point, we'll log out from the researcher role and log in as the unit manager for Albert Einstein's organizational unit. The Things to Do list now shows the recently submitted application awaiting approval, which we can click on now. Opening this application as Unit Manager, we can see that many attributes are now read-only. This is another area that can be configured within Converis. Specific fields can be restricted or even hidden from different types of users according to the organization's requirements. The Unit Manager is then able to review all of the information relating to the application, from sections funding details through to documents. When they're happy with the application, they can move to the Approval section. Here they can record additional comments, for example, application approved, confirm their acceptance of the application, and progress it to the next step in the workflow. In this case, for approval by Faculty Finance.